According to multiple credible sources, marijuana in California alone is a $14 billion industry. In 2013, medical marijuana saw an increase of 40%. In 1996, California voters approved Prop 215, exempting only certain patients and their primary caregivers from criminal liability under state law for the possession and cultivation of marijuana. Who qualifies as a primary caregiver under the law? According to Prop 215, a primary caregiver is a person who is designated by a qualified patient and has consistently assumed responsibility for the housing, health, or safety of the patient. Under the law, patients can seek treatment from a variety of healthcare facilities such as clinics, residential care facilities, hospice, and home health agencies. State-licensed primary caregivers also include chiropractors, podiatrists, dentists, psychologists, optometrists, marriage and family therapists, clinical social workers, physical therapists, occupational therapists, clinical counselors, and more. The Medical Board of California supports this by saying no professional licensing board may take disciplinary action against licensed practitioners for providing medical marijuana to their patients and charging service fees. In October of 2009, Deputy Attorney General David W. Ogden stated in the now infamous Ogden Memorandum that patients with cancer or other serious illnesses and their caregivers were not at risk of prosecution as long as they stay within compliance of the existing state law, thereby making it possible for state-licensed practitioners in certain healthcare facilities to utilize marijuana as an approved medicine while gaining market share and revenue gains without fear of prosecution. Since the approval of Prop 215, Senate B-420, along with the federal compliance of the 2009 and 2011 Ogden Memorandum, the use of medical marijuana has been approved to treat 10 of the most devastating medical conditions, including AIDS, anorexia, arthritis, cachexia, cancer, nausea, glaucoma, migraine, multiple sclerosis, and chronic pain. How does CareAssist make this profitable for healthcare facilities and practitioners? Under Prop 215, primary caregivers may receive certain compensations for their services, out-of-pocket expenses, and actual expenses to the tune of over $500,000 per year per caregiver. According to state law, healthcare facilities and practitioners can hire assistants to cultivate, harvest, package, and track medical marijuana while providing medicinal marijuana to their patients with the skills necessary to help provide health, safety, and compliance. Through our relationship with Pure Nature and its brands PureTrack, PureCure, and PureBio, CareAssist is the only legally compliant full-service caregiver assistant with proprietary bacteria-free, mold-free, cultivating, harvesting, packaging, labeling, and tracking services. We've developed specific medicines for each approved ailment. As demand for this approved medicine increases, healthcare practitioners need to have an assistant they can rely on. CareAssist is the only legally compliant full-service assistant to healthcare facilities and practitioners who wish to be designated primary caregivers to their patients in California. CareAssist delivers practitioners tools to lawfully provide safe products to their patients and increase their financial revenues. Get started today and have access to these highly effective approved treatments. Along with our THC-free CBD products, you and your patients can benefit from immediately.